Okay, I am going to now use in my composition in Adobe Illustrator that I'm using to make stained glass. I started out by using the shape tools and the pen tool to make different shapes. I next selected everything and went to Pathfinder panel to use Pathfinder divide to make them all the overlapping shapes into individual shapes. And I am now going to use Direct Select tool and the color guide to apply specifically themed colors to each shape so that no neighboring shape contains a color that repeats itself, meaning every shape will have a unique color according to the colors that I pick in the color guide. The first thing I need to do is open up, I've got Direct Select tool going on here. The first thing I need to do is open up the color guide. Color guide is something I will find in window menu. It's the thing called color guide. Everything's in alphabetical order, so it's really easy to find. So color guide allows me to, it shows me basic tints and shades, but it will also show me, depending on what color I have selected already, it will show me things we were talking about in previous weeks when we were talking about color themes, complementary colors, analogous colors, monochromatic colors, triads and all different kinds of triads, compound colors and high contrast colors, and something down here called pentagram. So to get started, I'm going to make sure that nothing is selected over here, and I'm going to start with the basic color, red in this case. Red changes what's in the color guide. If I have red selected as my base color, and I click over to the harmony rules, you will see things like triads, suggesting the base color, left complement, right complement, which is sort of like split complementary color theme. If I want to choose right complement, although it's a little disturbing, looks like there's two over here that are so close, they're almost the same. That's going to cause a problem in the neighboring color thing. Maybe I'll go with analogous to. So if I choose analogous to, you are permitted to use any of these shades or tints. You don't have to choose just these. And your task is to make sure that none of them match, or none of them touch each other. So using the Direct Select tool, select a shape, make sure that you're in fill chip over here, that fill chip is in the foreground, overlapping the stroke chip. You can leave the stroke on there. If it's got a black stroke, it'll look more like stained glass. And sample color for the fill. Move along, pick a different color. Try to pick colors as you're putting them near each other that are harmonious and look good together. And keep going. You're going to create 5 unique artboards, all containing different shapes using this same method for each artboard. Each one will have its own color scheme. If you choose, I chose analogous based on red as my base color. Each one will have a different color scheme, so don't recycle the same color scheme for all of them. Choose a different one and have fun with it.